Are you worried about weight gain during menopause and wondering how to maintain your figure during this challenging phase of life? Stay with me until the end because I'm about to share 8 game-changing strategies that will help you navigate menopause without packing on unwanted pounds. These aren't quick fixes or fad diet tricks, but science-backed methods that work with your changing body rather than against it. Let's dive into the first crucial element, which is creating a balanced approach to nutrition without falling into restrictive eating patterns. The foundation of maintaining your weight during menopause starts with developing a sustainable relationship with food that nourishes your body while preventing unwanted fat storage. Forget about counting calories obsessively or weighing every morsel of food you consume, because this approach often leads to an unhealthy obsession with eating that creates more stress than results. Instead, focus on connecting with your body's natural hunger and satiety signals, understanding that as a woman, your appetite will naturally fluctuate throughout different days and cycles. When you feel genuinely hungry, honor that signal and eat adequately, because restricting yourself when your body needs fuel will inevitably lead to intense cravings later. These cravings rarely drive you toward a perfectly balanced quinoa salad. Instead, you'll likely reach for the first convenient food available, which often means processed snacks that promote fat storage. The key to creating balanced meals lies in filling half your plate with vegetables and dedicating the remaining half to macronutrients, including carbohydrates, healthy fats, and proteins. Many women make the mistake of eliminating carbohydrates entirely, but these nutrients remain essential even during menopause and should be included in every meal, including dinner. Protein becomes particularly crucial during this life stage because it helps you feel satisfied after meals while supporting your metabolism and preserving muscle mass. The second vital strategy involves ramping up your physical activity, specifically focusing on strength training exercises that counteract the natural metabolic slowdown that occurs during menopause. Your metabolism naturally decreases during this transition due to hormonal changes, which explains why many women notice weight gain even when maintaining their previous eating and exercise habits. This metabolic shift means that continuing with the same lifestyle approach that worked in your 30s and 40s will no longer produce the same results in your 50s and beyond. The decline in estrogen and other hormones accelerates muscle mass loss, making strength training absolutely essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Whether you choose light weights, bodyweight exercises, or traditional weightlifting, incorporating muscle-building activities into your routine becomes non-negotiable. If you're already experienced with strength training, this is the time to challenge yourself further by increasing weights, reducing rest periods between sets, or adding more repetitions to your workouts. Combining this enhanced physical training with adequate protein intake creates the perfect environment for muscle synthesis, as protein provides essential amino acids while resistance exercise stimulates testosterone production. Here's something that might surprise you, and this is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss valuable health tips like these. The third key principle focuses on avoiding the common trap of severe calorie restriction that many women fall into when they notice their metabolism slowing down. While it might seem logical to dramatically reduce food intake when your metabolic rate decreases, this approach often backfires by sending your body into starvation mode. When your body perceives that food is scarce, it responds by slowing metabolism even further and increasing fat storage as a survival mechanism. I've worked with countless women who were eating far too little and actually gaining weight because their bodies were holding on to every calorie as protection against perceived famine. Instead of restricting portions severely, practice mindful eating by slowing down during meals and chewing thoroughly, which helps you reconnect with natural fullness signals and prevents overeating. The fourth strategy involves increasing your daily movement beyond formal exercise sessions by finding creative ways to be more active throughout your regular routine. Simple changes like taking stairs instead of elevators, parking further from store entrances, or getting off public transportation one stop early can significantly impact your daily energy expenditure. Modern lifestyles tend to be extremely sedentary, so these small additions of movement throughout the day compound to create meaningful differences in your overall activity level. Instead of scrolling through your phone during lunch breaks, consider taking a 10-minute walk outside, which not only burns calories but also provides mental clarity and stress relief. Sleep quality emerges as the fifth critical factor in managing menopausal weight gain, yet it's often the most overlooked aspect of a comprehensive wellness approach. Menopause frequently disrupts sleep patterns through night sweats, hot flashes, or increased anxiety and racing thoughts that keep you awake. Poor sleep creates a cascade of metabolic problems because sleep deprivation triggers your body's survival mode, promoting fat storage while making it extremely difficult to lose existing weight. I've seen women who maintained perfect nutrition and exercise routines but couldn't lose weight until they addressed their sleep issues, because chronic fatigue essentially locks your metabolism in storage mode. Sometimes the most effective approach involves temporarily focusing less on diet and exercise while prioritizing sleep improvement as your primary health goal. The sixth essential element is proper hydration, which plays a more significant role in weight management than most people realize. Adequate water intake supports every metabolic process in your body and can help counteract the sluggish metabolism that often accompanies menopause. Many people confuse liquid consumption with proper hydration, but beverages like coffee and tea don't count toward your daily water requirements. These drinks contain compounds like caffeine and tannins that have distinct effects on your body and can even act as diuretics, potentially contributing to dehydration rather than solving it. Some women I've worked with experienced water retention issues because they weren't drinking enough plain water, mistakenly believing that adding more fluids would worsen their bloating. The opposite proved true when they gradually increased their pure water intake to 1.5 to 2 liters daily, which improved their body's natural fluid balance and supported better metabolic function. Think of hydration as two separate categories: pure water for physiological needs and other beverages for enjoyment, without trying to make flavored drinks serve both purposes. The seventh consideration involves managing stress levels, which becomes increasingly important during menopause when hormonal fluctuations can amplify your body's stress response. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which directly promotes abdominal fat storage and makes weight loss significantly more challenging. Finding effective stress management techniques, whether through meditation, stretching, deep breathing exercises, or enjoyable hobbies, can have profound effects on your ability to maintain a healthy weight. The eighth and final strategy, which I save for last because it should be considered carefully with professional guidance, involves exploring hormone replacement therapy options with qualified healthcare providers. Menopause is a transitional period similar to adolescence, meaning the dramatic changes you're experiencing won't last forever, though the duration varies significantly between individuals. Some women navigate this transition in 1 to 3 years, while others may experience symptoms for 5 to 7 years or longer. For women whose quality of life is severely impacted by menopausal symptoms, hormone therapy can provide relief that makes implementing other healthy lifestyle changes much more manageable. If you're struggling significantly with sleep, mood, energy, or physical discomfort, don't hesitate to discuss all available options with healthcare professionals who specialize in menopause management. The goal is to live with maximum comfort and vitality during this important life stage, and seeking appropriate medical support when needed is a sign of wisdom, not weakness. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health tips.